So this is what we were on about earlier. This is the flow water drain down system, which you can get for both the Aquaflow and the whale system, which it has the adapters, which are the white one for the Aquaflow there, and obviously the whale one has its own adapter. So we shall unpack it and apply it to the caravan, and then put the compressor on it and blow down the system to drain the water. So we've unpacked the contents. There's your Aquaflow adapter, and over there next to it, next to the jug, which we are going to measure how much comes out to show you, that is the airline adapter, which you get connecting to your water line, and it comes with a video, DVD video, which you're supposed to play first, and it tells you everything you need to know. And there is the pump that I'll be using. That is one I use for the car, but it does go down below 1 bar. I think it's half a bar, so that's about 7 psi. You normally pump the systems up to 14 psi, which 1 bar, just to get it all pressured. All the taps need to be closed, and the next bit will show you connected up with the pump, setting it the pressure, and then show you the water being removed. Okay, there is your drain down tap for your caravan. That needs to be in the closed position. There it is in the closed position, ready for the drain down. So I hope you can see there the plugged into the 12 volt socket in the boot, 5 meter lead. There is the compressor which we use, which is a Hamer, a German make, which I got to go over to Holland as a requirement. That then goes to the connector. As you can see there, it's a push-in one. There is your airline adapter, and if you pull that back, you can actually connect a water hose to it. So it's a dual function really. You could use it for service pitches. So there is you could pull that back and connect straight in to there for a service pitch if required. So it has a dual function, and there is your Truma connector. Okay. Right, so as you can see, we've now got the Truma Aquaflow adapter, the connector, and that is the airline part of it. Much like water connectors, pushes together, locks. There, goes into the caravan. Remove the Schrader dust cover, and then apply the pump in. Some are screw types, This one is a lockdown, and then basically I'll be setting the pressure. This one's in pounds per square inch, so I'll just increase that, decrease it to 14 psi, and off we go. That will now be pressurising the system and will automatically cut off. It is plugged into the back of the car and the car is running, and it's up to 7.5 at the moment. Right, so we've got a container. This is a litre. As you can hear, the compressor has turned off. It's up to 14 psi. Normally you would open the tap, but you want to do one circuit at a time. Normally I do the cold first, then the hot or the cold. So turn it to the left or the right. I'm actually doing the cold. Place your container under and nothing. Yeah, so there's the container. You may just be able to see the water level there.
That's 650.
And that's between 650 and 700. So that's a fair bit of water to come out of the system that's just been left, especially as we do nose up. If that froze in the midsection, that's quite difficult to get to the pipework. So obviously there's a minute amount left, but that's now all drained as far as humanly possible. The taps will be put into the open position. The drain tap under the seat will be put into the open position, ready for next time, at which time we will be using the Pura Clean to sterilise the system and flush out, and ready for the next time we go out. So now we've done the cold water in the sink in the mid washroom. We're now just doing the shower. As you can see, there's a reasonable amount of water come out.
How much is in there? Mm.
600, over half a litre.
Yeah.
Now, I have seen people where their washrooms are at the back of the caravan taking out about 1.5 litres.
Mm.
As ours is quite a short run, and it has been with nose up in storage, so the additional water that would have been in the tank has also drained out. So as you can see, half a litre of water, just over, if you've got icy conditions, could cause quite a bit of damage. So it is worth investing, whether you make one yourself from a Truma lift pump or purchase one, which we did, the flowy system. Both do exactly the same job, but as you can see, it is good to get rid of the excess water out of the system. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, it helps the channel, and of course it's free. And ring that old bell for the notifications. Just leaves to say TTFN, see you soon.